Can't pay bills with crypto? Transferring USDT to your bank account on Coinbase. Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever bought something cool with USDT, Tether's stablecoin, only to realize you can't use it for that everyday latte? You're not alone. Cryptocurrencies are amazing, but sometimes you just need good old-fashioned cash. So, the question is, can you transfer USDT from Coinbase, a popular crypto exchange, directly to your bank account? The answer might surprise you. Unlike some cryptocurrencies, USDT is pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value is, ideally, always close to $1. This stability makes it a great way to hold onto your value in the crypto world without the wild price swings. But what if you want to spend those stable dollars in the real world? This video will walk you through the process of transferring your USDT from Coinbase to your bank account. We'll break down the steps, explain any fees involved, and explore some alternative options for getting your crypto cash. Before we dive in, a quick heads up, cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-changing landscape. Make sure you do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any transfers. Alright, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. The short answer, not exactly. Unfortunately, Coinbase doesn't allow direct transfers of USDT to your bank account. Here's why. USDT, like most cryptocurrencies, operates on a blockchain, a decentralized network that records transactions. Banks, on the other hand, rely on traditional, centralized systems. Connecting these two worlds directly is still a work in progress. The workaround, selling USDT for USD. But fear not, there's a simple workaround. You can sell your USDT on Coinbase for US dollars. Think of it like exchanging your crypto for regular cash. Once you have USD in your Coinbase wallet, you can then initiate a transfer to your linked bank account. Here's how it works. Log into your Coinbase account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for additional security. Navigate to your USDT wallet. You can usually find this under the Wallet or Portfolio section. Click the Sell button. This will open a trading window where you can specify the amount of USDT you want to convert. Choose USD as your sell currency. This ensures you're converting your USDT to US dollars. Review the exchange rate and fees. Coinbase will display the current exchange rate for USDT to USD. There will also be a small fee associated with the transaction. Confirm the sale. Once you're happy with the details, click the Sell USDT button. The wait, transferring USD to your bank. Now that you have USD in your Coinbase wallet, you can transfer it to your bank account. Here's the next step. Go to the Accounts section of your Coinbase dashboard. Select Withdraw and choose USD. Choose your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer fees and estimated processing time. Confirm the transfer. Coinbase will typically process bank transfers within 1 to 3 business days. Alternative options, crypto exchanges with direct bank transfers. While Coinbase doesn't offer direct USDT to bank transfers, some other crypto exchanges do. However, it's crucial to research these platforms thoroughly before using them. Here are some factors to consider. Security, look for exchanges with strong security measures and a good reputation. Fees, compare transaction and transfer fees between different platforms. Supported currencies, make sure the exchange supports USDT and allows direct transfers to your bank account in your local currency. Important considerations, taxes and fees. Remember, selling cryptocurrency may have tax implications depending on your location and the amount involved. Always consult with a tax advisor for specific guidance. Also, factor in the fees associated with selling USDT and transferring USD to your bank. These fees can eat into your profits, so make sure the amount you're transferring justifies the cost. The takeaway, flexibility over directness. While you can't directly transfer USDT to your bank account on Coinbase, the workaround of selling USDT for USD and then transferring those dollars offers some flexibility. However, keep transaction fees and potential tax implications in mind. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving. Coinbase and other exchanges might introduce direct USDT to bank transfer options in the future. Until then, this two-step approach remains your best bet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.